Welcome to Lesson 1 of Data Structures and Algorithms. Today, we'll start learning the basics of this important topic in computer science. What is a data structure? A data structure is a way of organizing and storing data in a computer so that it can be accessed and used efficiently. That means, a data structure is like a container or a box where we store data in a computer. The main purpose of a data structure is to organize the data in a way that makes it easy to access, modify, and use. Let's take a real-life example. Imagine a boy has 4 boxes to store his toys. Each box holds a different toy. The first box has a doll, the second box has a car, the third box has a ball, and the fourth box has a train.
If the boy wants to find his car, he can go straight to the second box. This is similar to how a data structure works. Just like the boy organizes his toys in specific boxes, a data structure organizes data in a way that makes it easy to find and use.
We can relate this example of the boy to how memory works, and the same method applies in data structures and algorithms, DSA, which we will study further.
Data structures can be divided into 2 main types. Linear data structure. In this type, data is arranged in a straight line or sequence. Each piece of data is connected to the one before it and the one after it. Examples: arrays, stacks, and queues. Nonlinear data structure. Here, data is not arranged in a straight line. It can be organized in a hierarchy, like a family tree, or interconnected, like a web. Examples: trees and graphs. A linear data structure organizes data in a straight line, one element after another, so you can access them in a specific order. Example: let's say we have the data 1, 5, 2, 3. If we store this data in a linear structure like an array, it will look like this. In a nonlinear data structure, data is not stored in a straight line. Instead, it can be connected in a hierarchy or network. Example: let's take the same data, 1, 5, 2, 3 and organize it in a tree, a type of nonlinear data structure.
The use of data structures provides several advantages, including efficiency. Data structures allow for efficient storage and retrieval of data, which is important in applications where performance is critical. Flexibility. Data structures provide a flexible way to organize and store data, allowing for easy modification and manipulation. Reusability. Data structures can be used in multiple programs and applications, reducing the need for redundant code. Maintainability. Well-designed data structures can make programs easier to understand, modify, and maintain over time.